Custom bamboo shades are a truly remarkable choice for Ontario homeowners seeking to elevate the beauty, comfort, and energy efficiency of their living spaces. With their timeless aesthetic appeal, unparalleled durability, and eco-friendly credentials, these natural woven wood blinds offer a wealth of benefits that make them a standout option among window treatment solutions. Whether you're drawn to the classic charm of matchstick bamboo, the elegance of bamboo Roman shades, or the sleek minimalism of bamboo roller shades, there's a custom bamboo option that will seamlessly integrate with your Ontario home's unique style and architectural features. By incorporating these stunning window coverings, you can create a warm, inviting atmosphere that reflects your personal taste and environmental values. Ready to transform your Ontario home with the natural beauty and functionality of custom bamboo shades? Contact our team of experts today to explore the best prices and tailored solutions that will enhance your living spaces. Get in touch now to schedule a free consultation and take the first step towards elevating your home's aesthetic and energy efficiency with the timeless charm of woven wood blinds. Please like, share and subscribe.